two. We do a little cooking. We got our striper, right?
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna rinse him up. We're gonna fillet him up really nice, and then we're gonna show you how to cook him. One of my favorite ways to cook him. Pretty simple, but it sure is tasty. Well, first things first. We get back from fishing. Always, especially saltwater, always rinse off your rods and your reels with some fresh water. Izzy, how many rigs did you lose today?
5.
No, keep trying.
5.
5. That's all right. It's part of the game. We lost that monster.
Well, I'm still.
Oh, I know. Make sure you guys watch that video of us fishing today. It was a lot of fun down in Ledger, Connecticut on the Thames River. All right, so let's, here, you grab onto this. So we got a cutting board. Just gonna give them a little rinse and dent. Give me some good eating. All right, we're just gonna speed through this. Don't want YouTube to get too upset. We get too gory on this. But we're just gonna fillet it up right down its backbone, right behind the dorsal fin. First, just slice, give it a little cut up by the head, behind the fin, around. Just take a knife real carefully. Boom, right there, right around the bones, everything. And if you do it right, you should have no bones, 0 bones. And just start from the top, work your way down. Careful with your knife. Always helps to have a sharp knife. That's a plus. Otherwise, you'll struggle through this. Doing this one in record time, all sped up like this, but it'd be nice. Then just take it flayed out. Grab the skin with one hand and just kind of shimmy your knife right across, and then booyah. Nice. Just trim off anything you don't like, and do the same thing for the other side. And that's about it. We are almost ready to get our grub on. And that's it. Bam, dinner time. We're gonna get ready to cook up our fish. This is how we do it, or how we're doing it tonight. We're gonna just take our fillets. We're gonna cut them into little cubes. Like so. There we go. So there's one fillet. Rinse that out. All right, we got our fish all cubed up, and I'm just gonna put some salt, and then just some pepper, since we have taste buds in here that would not like the seasoning that I would normally put on it. So we'll just stick with the basic salt and pepper, and then from that, we're gonna drop them all in some milk. So we're just gonna set them in there, in the milk, cover them up. And then we're going to take the milk and the fish, put that in the fridge while we wait. And the next thing, we're just going to crack some eggs. There's one. Probably only need 3 for this project. There's 3. You want to take a fork and beat those up. Get our cut board out of the way. Got it going good? Mm-hmm. We're hitting the towel. All right, and then we're going to take what we use. What we use is cornflake crumbs. Some people use breadcrumbs, other things, but I found that cornflake crumbs on fish works really well. So we're just going to put that in here. That's all we got, so hopefully that's enough. Got that good? So now we got our fish soaking in the milk. We got some eggs, beat it up, and we've got some cornflake crumbs in. Now we're just going to take some oil, some canola oil, is what we like to use, and we're going to pour this in here and get this up to up to temperature. So once we get that up there, we'll check in with you. Let's screaming kids. All right, our oil is ready to go. You ready, Iz? We'll get some chunks out of the milk. Roll it in our egg. Ooh. Get us some cornflake crumbs. And drop her on in. Here's one. And a two. As many as we can fit. Oh, that's a big piece.
Yeah.
That's a daddy piece. Woo! Wait. Probably room for one more. There we go. Alright, ready? Oh, look at that. That is, bring that camera over here. That is golden brown. I'm going to take these out. Those are all done. If I don't squeeze all the breading off them. Oh, look at that. Look at that! Bam! Emerald got nothing on us, Is. Woo-wee! Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Woo! Get some of that extra oil off. Look at that, folks. What do you think of that? That is good. Striper nuggets and breadcrumbs. All right, we even brought out the fine china. A nice largemouth bass. Nice largemouth bass, if I can spit it out. So, all right, Iz, I want you to take first bite. Pick a piece, have a nice little, pick it up if you can, if it's not too hot. We got a bunch to cook. Take that. Take a bite.
It's hot.
Oh, it's hot.
Okay, I'll rip off a piece.
What do you think? How's that? How's that striper bass from Ledyard, Connecticut? Good? I want some too. Oh, look at that. That's perfect. Perfect. Mmm. Hot. That is good. You can put any spice you want on it. Oh.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. All right.
It's good.
I'm glad you like it. Well, I hope you enjoyed. It's one of the ways we cook it. Like I said, you can put any spice you want into your batter, but most of the family's going to be eating this, and not everybody likes spicy stuff. So you can always spice it up. And then we're going to cook the rest of it and leave it in the fridge. We can make some awesome fish sandwiches with this stuff. A nice hard roll, American cheese, a little tartar sauce. Good stuff. It's so good. Even little Fauna likes it, huh? How is that? Is that good? Yeah. Say cheese. Oh, yeah. That little stinker went up and on the table and grabbed her own piece all by herself. It's a hit over here. All right, there'll be no fish sandwiches. We were just gobbling that up. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for tuning in.
Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell, like this video, and comment down below.
Till next time.